How to fix Steam overlay not working. So if you want to fix Steam overlay not working, then first you just need simply open up your Steam application. Now once you open up your Steam, you just need simply go with the top left, which has that Steam icon, and then you need to go with settings. Now under settings, you need to head over to in-game settings. And in your in-game, you will have enable the Steam overlay while in game. So you can just simply go and toggle it on or off. But according to the keyword we have right now, you just need simply go and enable it. So if you want to fix the Steam overlay not working, then make sure that it is enabled. And after that, you can relaunch your Steam and your problem might be fixed. Now you just need simply go with your library and go with any of your games. Right click on it and then go with the properties section. And here also you will have the option of enable the Steam overlay while in games. Then you can just go and toggle on here. But even if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with install files. Under install files, you will have verify integrity of game files. So click on it. And after verifying the integrity of the game files, then your problem will be fixed. You won't have an issue. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.